Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And we've been emailing back and forth all night. They're trying to use the fountain fill and they can't get it to work. So if you go to, there's fountain fill down here, but I like going to this one right here. Go to Docker's Object Properties, and your fountain fill doesn't show up. And that's what its problem is. It's because this is a text. So if you convert this text to a curve, watch what happens right up here on the screen. Now you get a wholly different screen. There's an object property. Here's the fill. Here's fountain fill, and you can change it, make it lighter. And this would work for an engraver, and you can actually drag other colors into it and make it lighter or darker and move the blacks around and make it blacker or less black by sliding the slide back and forth, and then maybe bringing in a white on that edge. But also you can go right here and get some designs that other people have made and do it like that. Now, that would not work for us in the laser engraving, but there are 4 colors here. Why don't you just change the colors? So we're going to bring black over the darkest part and just drop it in the box. We're going to drop in a lighter gray in the next one, then maybe a lighter gray into the next one, and then maybe a light gray into that. That would work as an engraver. So that's fountain fill, but it has to be an object. I guess text is not an object, it's a text, because the fountain fill symbol is not there. But if we go to arrange and convert to curve, as soon as you do that, you get the fountain fill tool, and you can do whatever you want with it. And it's pretty cool. Make kind of like a shading effect. Then you could always give it a black outline and go on from there. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.